Alright, so it's day number 11, 12, both. Yeah, so Danielle had her baby finally, and I'm gonna go visit tomorrow, and she named it Nylea. I remember the name now. Otherwise, today I was looking for jerseys because I'm going to a Timberwolves game next week and I'm so excited. So I wanted to get a Timberwolves jersey to wear to the game, and you just can't find them. They are non-existent here. Well, actually, I did find one, but they're all in like men's sizes, which are like dresses on me. So I usually just get like a kid's large, and it's fucking cheaper anyways. But no, it made me mad because I went to this store that we have at the mall. It's called like Fans with like a bunch of Z's. And I saw that they had another Lakers jersey in kids, and it was fucking a way better jersey. Like it's the same jersey, but it's just way better. And it made me angry because I just bought my jersey that I have right now not that long ago, and then they come out with a fucking better one. Like it's a better quality jersey, and it just made me angry. So of course I had to fucking buy it. And so now I have two. But I figured I might just give my other one to my little sister and tell her that she's gonna fucking like the Lakers, like her older sister, because they're fucking awesome. And who doesn't love Kobe Bryant? Who? No one. Everyone does, because he's awesome and he's good at what he does and he's retiring. So fucking, support the old man. Anyways, otherwise, I watched the full first season of American Horror Story, and I saw Gingy today, which was cool, at the mall when I was trying to find my Timberwolves jersey. That just didn't happen. Otherwise, yeah, that was my day today. That was it. That was the highlight. It's pretty lazy day. But, yeah.